Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a funded Global Imme Bank account, your mobile number on file, and a secure device. First, open the bank's internet portal or app and choose Register. Enter your account number or PRAN, then verify with the OTP sent to your phone. Once done, create a strong password and set up two-factor authentication for protection. This gets you into the system and prevents common access issues while keeping your credentials safe. Now move into detailed configuration. Verify your identity by completing the prompts, upload ID or confirm personal details, so the system approves full access. Next, link any external accounts, add beneficiaries by confirming their details and microdeposit verification, and set sensible transfer limits for security. Then explore the dashboard. Check balances, generate e-statements, schedule recurring bill payments, and learn where transfer finish by reviewing and locking down security settings. Enable push or SMS notifications, confirm daily and single transfer limits, and save your contact preferences. Perform a small live transfer and immediately verify the recipient and transaction ID. Download or screenshot the receipt for records. If something goes wrong, first clear your browser cache or app data, retry the OTP, and ensure time and date are correct on your device. If unresolved, contact Global Imme Bank support and provide the transaction reference so they can trace and fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.